Yes, good afternoon, or good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending wherever you are and at which time you're watching our videos. Welcome back to silver trading. Yet I saw some message about entry and settings, which I'm going to show you. Concerning this, the entry has been an issue. I concur. Also, when I started trading, that entry was a big issue. But today I want us to solve that mystery. So today we are trading AUD USD, which you can check at this angle. Let me change that color to which one? Yeah, let me use that one. So you can check. We are on a 1 hour chart. So the indicators I'm using are just assisting me to know the extremes of the market and where there's high probability of market changing the direction. One thing you must have in mind, you can never tell the direction of the market. You can never be sure of the direction of the market. So we are just using these indicators to give us some clear view of what we expect of the market. So I have Ichimoku, and down on indicator window I have some envelope. So yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you. This is the region that I've marked for entry. When you see I've created that box, I know market we are supposed to bring it down like that, but there's something I wanted to show you. You've seen these two boxes. So on this, I'm observing this region because when you check down here, our envelope reached at level 10. Now we are coming back to 20. Somebody may say, why don't you enter? The reason why we cannot enter that, we still don't know whether that is the extreme, because if you've traded using indicator, you know at sometimes you may look, some indicators may seem as if they are reversing, but they will shrink and then the market will still proceed. But if you're using higher time frame, you will see the market is supposed to rise. But now we want to see, is there a change in the direction of this market? I'm going to give you settings at the end when we are almost done, but just be patient a bit. So where I have these boxes, I have these two lines, this one and this one. I marked them to assist me to know whether we are going to form consolidation or we break out. If at all we are going to break out, I expect this, if at all I want to enter this market, I expect it to break, then come back to retest, then it moves. So from that point, then I can enter there. we can enter at that region, or you can still enter at a very safe region somewhere there. So apart from that, let me show you something that most people have not seen. So when you look at this market, it came, it broke, then it came back to retest, then it came down. Yes, so there was that change in coloration from this purple to red one. That one, when the candlestick came and broke through the purple one, then came back to retest on red, and now red forming like as a roof, then the market fell. So there are two options there of entry into the market. One, another person can enter at this region, which is very safe. So this one is a very safe region. The other one could have done a sniper entry. Let me use a different color now. Sorry. At this region. So this one is sniper. But this sniper entry is not for everyone. Not everyone can do that. If you're a newbie in this market, you cannot do that because you've not studied the market very well. So what I can prefer for you is going for this safe one. You see, the market came and it broke. It came direct and broke it, then came back to the test, then we moved. But this sniper, it is a good entry, but meant for those who know what they are doing in the market. You see? When you look at that entry, so somebody could have entered here. That is one option of entry, the first option. After the market came back to retest, before breaking down, you could have entered there. That one we call sniper entry. But that one is for pro traders. When you know what you are doing, you've been into this market and you've studied the trends very well. But when you are new, the safest region for you to enter the market, it is at this level. You see, the market came and it broke direct. This is a very safe zone. So those are the two types of entries that we usually have. Indicators is supposed to show you the change in the direction. After knowing the change in the direction of the market, the next issue, where to enter this market. Because when you enter at this safe region, then your stop loss, you can have your stop loss to somewhere here. That is not bad. Because if at all it will break, let me change that one. If at all it will break, it cannot come back to retest at this. No, it will just break, then come back the way you see to retest. So you will be safe. And also somebody who does that sniper entry, who enters at that yellow, this yellow region, can have stop loss just above, slightly above this region. But remember, I told you entries you're supposed to go and do them at 15. If you're using 1 hour chart, then you will do the entry on 15 chart, but the pattern will still be the same. So there are those are the two types of entry. This is very safe. Entry at this point is very, very, very safe. But this upper one, I don't encourage it if you don't know what you are doing. If you don't know. So let us check. This is my zones that I marked. You see, this one is 15. This one is on a 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, it is as if market was consolidating. Sorry for that. That is MetaTrader 5. Sometimes it behaves like that. Yeah, it is now back. So you see the way on 15 minutes it is behaving. So what I'm still waiting for, I'm waiting for this to break. It has started breaking. To break complete, then it will come back to retest. So from that point, I'm able to enter at that region and place my stop loss somewhere here. It will still be safe. That one will be a good entry because it has been consolidating within this box for quite some times. So I am waiting for it to break out of that box, come back to retest, then I can make that sniper entry there. Even if I place my stop loss somewhere here, I'm still that much safe. But if you are new, very safe trade, you can wait it here. Let me give it a different color. Okay, this one. So if you are new, you can wait it there at this region. This region is very safe. It breaks, come back, retest, then you place your entry there. Then as it exits, you'll be in profit and you'll place your stop loss back here. That is how to trade this market. So let us go back to our 1 hour chart. You see, my interest, we have already a change in the direction, or let us try if you can plot it. The issue is this MetaTrader 5. Now it takes time to pick the data. But don't worry. So those are the two types of entry. So if you are still new, wait for the very, very, very safe entry. That is why on our window indicator, we encourage, like when you are selling, when it passes 80 mark, you can sell. When you're buying, when it is past 20, then you can also buy. Sorry for those. I have so many things that we are doing in this life. Now you see. So that is how to do your entries. That is how you can do your entries for if you are drawing ascending triangle, so it is supposed to come, retest, then moves, being that it is changing the direction. That is what we are waiting for. So we still have to be very, 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 very patient. Very patient. We still have to be very, yeah. So let me show you. So you see, so if you are drawing, it came and this one. So we had those touches. Then it broke. It came. It came from that side. So this, if at all it is a matter of entry into the market, this region is a very safe entry. Very, very safe. If you want a safe entry, this is it. A sniper entry, if you know we already have a change in direction, you can enter even somewhere here. It is still good. Then your stop loss, just not that much, sorry. Your stop loss somewhere here. Upper to this, see you have that candlestick, that region. But when you are doing these entries, this safe entry, now your stop loss will be even somewhere here, because now we are sure the market, it won't come back after breaking down like this. You see the retest was like at that region, then it went down again. That is how to do your entries, guys. So now in this situation, we can see the market has been consolidating in that region, while on our indicator in 1 hour chart it is at the lowest point ever. So what I'm waiting for is to see the change in the direction of the market. I want it to break, then come back, retest, then I will be able to enter here. Sniper, as somebody who knows now what I'm doing, but the safest entry is somewhere here. The issue with the Forex, is not that people don't know the direction of the market, but the timing of entry is a big issue. That is the biggest issue. If you are able to know when to enter, you will be fine. At which regions, you will be very safe. There will not be any issue. So if at all it comes, it will break. So that is what I'm waiting for. I'm still waiting the market to break, then come back to retest, then I will enter there, because already I will be having a change in the direction of the market. So guys, that is how to trade this market. Ichimoku, those two indicators, the upper one is called Ichimoku. That one is just supposed to show you the direction, the change in the direction of the market. After knowing that, what next do you do? The next issue is, when is it safe for me to enter the market? That is the next question. Because on the indicator windows, already even you are seeing already we are changing the direction of the market. So this one calls for patience. Yeah, somewhere there. So guys, just take time. Take your time. Take your time. So let me show you now the indicators that we have. So these are the indicators you can see. Yeah, these are the indicators you can see, the details they give. If you go to a 4-hour chart, also you can see. Like that. So I don't want to make this video that long. Let me check. Wow. Let me give you settings in the next video. So kindly, if you are new, remember to subscribe, drop a comment on any issue you desire that we discuss. So I've said there are two types of entry into this market: the sniper entry and a very safe zone entry, which we've said, if you want you're looking for a sniper entry, like in this scenario now, we wait it to break, come back to retest, we will enter at that region before it breaks. But if you want a safe entry, which I mostly prefer, so sniper entry somewhere here, somewhere there, safe entry, we will do it here. So those are the two types of entries. You can have a sniper one, immediately it breaks that consolidation, coming back to retest, you enter, then you sail with it, or you wait until where it broke that consolidation and it went before coming back to retest, and you'll be okay. Those are the two types of entry into this market. Let me not to make this video long. That was just a recap. So thank you so much, those who have stayed with us to this far. I promise you, I'm going to give you the settings of this video in the next video. The settings of these indicators in the next video. Sorry. Have a good day.